In my last video about refining mesh before export STL file for precise 3D printing, a viewer asked me an interesting question. Do we need the same mesh settings when exporting a model as a 3MF file, just like we do with STL? Let's test it out. I'll use the same shaft model, 20 millimeters in diameter. First, I'll export it directly as a 3MF file without changing anything. I'll call this one standard 3MF. Then, I'll do the same step I showed before. In FreeCAD, I'll go to the Mesh module, then the Meshes tab, and select Create Mesh from Shape. The default surface deviation is 0.1 millimeters, but I'll lower it to 0.01 millimeters for a finer mesh. I'll export this one as High Mesh 3MF. Now, let's open both in the slicer. The standard 3MF shows a shaft with a slight error in the diameter, just like what we saw with STL. And the High Mesh 3MF shows the shaft at the exact 20 millimeters, matching the CAD design. So 3MF files also need the same mesh density adjustment for perfect accuracy in 3D printing.